Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll still explain how to use Facebook app step by step. In today's tutorial we'll explain how to translate your friend's post on Facebook. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first tap on Facebook app icon. After that, click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till we get setting and privacy. Then click on settings. After that, tap on translation for posts. Here you can find 3 options. First one, language you would like to have posts translated into. Press on it. If you want all posts translated to specific language, just you have to press language which you want. Let's make it English. After that, press on save. This is the first option. Second option, language you don't want to be offered translation for. Press on it. Let's select Deutsch language, for example. After that, press on save. The last option, language you don't want automatically translated. Press on it. You can select Arabic as example. After that, press on save. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to transfer your friend's post on Facebook. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.